welcome to GCSE Maths Help. Today we're going to be looking at finding unknown angles within parallel lines and shapes, looking at the key points you need to know for your exam. If you're looking to learn about using trigonometry to find unknown angles in triangles, then there's a whole other video on my channel dedicated to that topic, so check out that video instead. For everyone else, let's get started. Finding unknown angles within parallel lines and finding internal and external angles of shapes is one of those topics that unfortunately has a lot of rules to learn. Once you know the rules though, the questions you get asked in exams should be fairly straightforward to answer, so let's start with the interior angles of regular shapes. An interior angle is the angle inside the shape at each corner. If the shape is regular, then all the sides of the shape are the same length, so all the interior angles will be the same size too, like a square or an equilateral triangle. To calculate the size of an interior angle, we use the formula sum of all the angles in the shape divided by the number of corners the shape has. For example, angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees divided by 3 corners, so each interior angle equals 60 degrees for an equilateral triangle. The likelihood is that you'll be asked about interior angles of bigger regular shapes, so you need to be able to work out the interior angles of bigger shapes than triangles or squares. For your exam, you could just write out the list, adding 180 degrees each time until you get to the size of the shape you need. Or you could use this handy formula, number of sides minus 2 times 180 degrees. The other thing you might be asked to calculate is the exterior angle of a regular shape. As the name suggests, it's the angle that's on the outside of the shape. If we extend one of the lines of the shape, the angle that appears here is the exterior angle. It's not the angle that's all the way round the outside, which is a common mistake with these questions. So to calculate the exterior angle of the shape, we can see here that the interior angle and the exterior angle are on a straight line, so they must add together to make 180 degrees. So the exterior angle is equal to 180 degrees minus the interior angle. In addition to that, all the external angles of all shapes add up to 360 degrees, so you can calculate the exterior angle by dividing 360 degrees by the number of sides the shape has. The last thing we're going to look at in this video is the rules of angles within parallel lines. Again, these are rules that just need to be learnt. When lines are parallel, the angles around the lines can be alternate, corresponding or allied. Angle questions often ask for reasoning as to how you've got your answer, so it's well worth learning the names of these angles, which you can use as one of your reasons. Let's have a look what those terms mean. Alternate angles are the angles that are enclosed by the Z shape, these angles here. They're alternate sides of the line. These angles are always equal. Corresponding angles are the angles that are in the same place around the two parallel lines. They correspond with each other. These angles are always the same size. So this angle is the same size as this angle because it's in the same place above the two parallel lines. This angle corresponds with this angle, so they're the same size too. Allied angles are the two angles that are enclosed by the parallel lines. This one here and that one there. They always add up to 180 degrees, which makes sense given what we've just learnt about corresponding angles. This angle here corresponds with this angle here, so they're the same size. This angle is on a straight line, so the angle under the line adds up to 180 degrees because it's a straight line. But that angle corresponds with this angle here, so we've got the same little angle being added together with two angles of the same size, so each bit must add up to 180 degrees. It really is worth your time learning the names of these angle rules because not all examiners will accept things like Z rules or F rules, names that we give them to help you learn them, so learn the proper names so that you can use them as reasoning in your answers. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to have some practice at answering exam style questions on this topic, click the link in the bio below. Don't forget to subscribe to GCSE Maths Help with the subscribe button below, or you can check out my Instagram page at GCSE Maths Help for more videos and tips. Thanks for watching.